Have you ever tried to have a meal in the bed or on the couch? I think it really sounds better than it is. I have to make something that will improve this experience the next time. Let me quickly check out the existing solutions. This might be it. Since I had never made a table that small, I had no idea about the dimensions that I should use in order for the table to be comfortable. So I had to do some small research. While gathering the information, I also got some ideas on how the end result should look like. And that felt really good, since figuring out the design often takes more time than sketching and CNC work combined. While I still have inspiration, let me quickly sketch this thing. Alright, the DXF file is ready, so let's do some CNC cutting. If you ever want to make a plywood mechanism using wooden bearings and you don't want to spend time sanding the joint, I recommend making the hole a half millimeter bigger than the bearing. The joint will move nicely without any extra work.